Good morning. Stocks are likely to witness a weak start to trade today as global equities plunged as the sentiments got a little bit jittery following Goldman Sachs fraud charges. On the domestic front, expectations of a rate hike from the Reserve Bank of India during its monetary policy on Tuesday will keep the market mood subdued. Overall, the mood will be one of caution ahead. Consensus forecast is for a 25 bps hike in key policy rates and a 50 bps increase in the CRR. The RBI's commentary will be keenly followed for gauging the mood on the Mint Street. Though inflation did not cross 10% in March, food inflation is near 18% and the non-food prices are threatening to spike as well. Monsoons will be critical this year after last year's near disaster. How the world economy does over the next few months will have a bearing on the sentiments over the markets. Levels of 5,400 were almost given for the Nifty. In a matter of a few days, the situation seems to have turned a little worse for the bulls. In fact, the Nifty is all set to almost lose its grip over 5,200, at least at the start. Whether it is able to reclaim 5,200 by the close will hinge on the news flows and results. Foreign exchange reserves rose by $932 million to $280 billion for the week ended April 9th. The fight for 3G spectrum intensified on Saturday, with the price for Pan-India waves going up by 6.1 billion rupees to touch rupees 57 billion. GSM mobile operators added 13.9 million new users in March, taking their total subscriber base to 422 million. Reliance Industries picks stake in logistics company Deccan 360. PTC India says that its subsidiary PTC Financial Services is likely to go public with an IPO in this financial year. IIFL is set to raise around $300 million by selling a combination of existing and fresh equity share. Moving on to the recommendations, the derivative strategies are Long Shipping Corporation of India Limited April future at Rs 159 for a target price of Rs 165 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 157, and Long Power Grid Corporation Limited April future at Rs 108 for a target price of Rs 112 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 106. The technical calls are Canara Bank sell. Traders are recommended to sell the stock at current market levels of Rs 398 for a target price of Rs 380 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 408. And a sell on McDowell's. Traders are recommended to sell the stock at levels of Rs 1,233 for a target price of Rs 1,180 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 1,260. Thank you and have a great day ahead.